Next question, last question on Cartesian product, that is if A is equal to set 1 4, if A is equal to set 1 4, next to B is equal to set 2 3 6, B is equal to set 2 3 6, then C is equal to 2 3 7, C is equal to set 2 3 7, C is equal to set 2 3 7. Verify A cross B union C. Verify first question, A cross B union C. A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. A cross B union A cross C. Next, second question, A cross B intersection C. A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Okay, third one, A cross B minus C. A cross B minus C is equal to A cross B minus A cross C. So, your question is what? They are given ABC 3 sets. ABC 3 sets. A is equal to set 1 4, B 2 3 6, C 2 3 7. So, you have to prove that, verify that A cross B union C equal to A cross B union A cross C. A cross B intersection C equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. A cross B minus C equal to A cross B minus A cross C. So, your solution, so they are given A is equal to set 1 4, B is equal to set 2 3 6, C is equal to set 2 3 7. Here one common element is there. So A cross B union C, you have to prove that you have to verify that A cross B union A cross C. Here also you have A cross B A cross C. A cross B A cross C. In RHS of every question you have A cross B A cross C. So first find your A cross B and A cross C. Now A cross B. So A cross B equal to A cross B means 1 2 1 3 1 6. So 1 2 1 3 1 6. Next to 4 2 4 3 4 6. 4 2 4 3 4 6. So A cross B. So 1 2 1 3 1 6. Then 4 2 4 3 4 6. Next A cross C. A cross C is 1 2 1 3 1 7. 1 2 1 3 1 7. Okay, next 4 2 4 3 4 7. 4 2 4 3 4 7. Because this is common for every question. Okay, first one. First question is A cross B union C. First you have to find B union C. What is your set B? 2 3 6 union 2 3 7. So union means write all the elements of B and C. So what happened, it is 2 3 6 7. So B union C is 2 3 6 7. So A cross B union C. A cross B union C means A set is 1 4. Okay, B union C is 2 3 6 7. 2 3 6 7. So therefore A cross B union C is equal to 1 2 1 2 1 3. Next to 1 6 1 7. Okay. Next to 4 2 4 3 4 6 4 7. So 4 2 4 3 4 6 4 7. Okay. See here A cross B union C. So A B union C 1 2 1 3 1 6 1 7. 4 2 4 3 4 6 4 7. Okay. Now after this, call this as equation number 1. This is your LHS of first question. RHS is A cross B union A cross C. So A cross B union A cross C. So you have to write all the elements of A cross B and A cross C. First write A cross B elements. So 1 2 1 3 1 2 1 3 1 6 4 2 4 3 4 6 4 2 4 3 4 6. Okay. Next, elements of A cross C. So 1 2 already there, 1 3 already there. So 1 7. So you can write 1 7, 1 7. Next 4 2 already there, 4 3 already there. Then 4 7. Call this as equation number 2. So A cross B union A cross C. A cross B union A cross C means write all the elements of A cross B and A cross C. 1 2 1 3 1 6 4 2 4 3 4 6. That is A cross B. Then A cross C 1 2 1 3 already there. So you cannot write again. Okay. Next 1 7. Next 4 2 4 3 already there. So you should write only 4 7. So now compare equation 1 and 2. So 1 2 1 1 2 1 2 1 3 1 3 1 6 1 6 1 7 1 7 4 2 4 2 4 3 4 3 4 6 4 6 4 7 4 7. All the elements are equal. So equation number 1 and equation number 2 RHS are same means, so you can write it from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 it is clear that A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. Okay, this is your first proof. Okay, second one. So for second proof, second proof. So what is your second one? So LHS part, A cross B intersection C. First find your B intersection C. B is 2 3 6. Intersection C is 2 3 7. Okay. So intersection means you should write common elements. Here common elements are 2 3. So B intersection C is 2 3. Now A cross B intersection C. So A cross B intersection C. So what is your A? 1 4. Okay, cross B intersection C is 2 3. So multiply, solve it. So 1 2 1 3. So 1 2 1 3. Next to 4 2 4 3. 4 2 4 3. Okay. Next one. A cross B intersection C. Call this as equation number 3. Next, RHS is what? A cross B intersection A cross C. So A cross B intersection A cross C. So A cross B intersection A cross C means write the common elements of A cross B and A cross C. See here, A cross B and A cross C. 1 2 1 3. Both are. So 1 2 belongs to the A cross B. 1 2 is also belongs to A cross C. 1 3 belongs to A cross B. 1 3 is also belongs to A cross B. Common elements. So 1 2 1 3. Then 1 6 here, 1 6 is not there. 4 2 4 3. 4 2 4 3 are common elements. So 4 2 4 3. So call this as equation number 4. So very easiest one. A cross B intersection C means first you have to find B intersection C. Then find A cross B intersection C. Then A cross B intersection A cross C, RHS part. So A cross B intersection A cross C means you have A cross B, A cross C. So intersection means you have to write only common elements. Common elements are what? 1 2 1 3. Next 4 2 4 3 are common in A cross B and A cross C. So it is 1 2 1 3 4 2 4 3. Call this as equation number 3 and equation number 4. So from 3 and 4, it is clear that A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. This is the proof. Second solution. Okay. Next, third one. Third one is what? A cross B minus C equal to A cross B minus A cross C. So next I will take third one. So third one, third one is what? A cross B minus C. So first find B minus C. B is 2 3 6 minus C is 2 3 7. So B minus C means what? You should write elements of B which are not present in C. So 2 is belongs to the set B, 2 is also belongs to the set C. 3 is belongs to the set B, 3 is also belongs to the set C. 6 is belongs to the set B which is not in C. So you can write 6, element 6. Okay. So elements of, you should write only elements of B which are not present in C. So only element, that means the elements which are belongs to set B only, but which is not belongs to the set C, that is 6, B minus C. Then A cross B minus C. A cross B minus C is A is 1 4 cross singleton set 6. So it is 1 6 4 6. So 1 6 4 6. Okay. Next, after this, see here A cross B minus A cross C. Now RHS part is what? A cross B minus A cross C. A cross B. So you should write elements of A cross B which are not belongs to the set A cross C. Here 1 2 1 3 4 2 4 3 belongs to both the sets. So only elements of A cross B are 1 6 and 4 6. So 1 6 4 6. Only two elements belongs to A cross B only. Okay. So call this as equation number 5 and equation number 6. From equation 5 and 6, both RHS are same. From 5 and 6, it is clear that is A cross B minus C is equal to A cross B minus A cross C. Okay, this is your proof. Okay, so first try to understand question properly and write your elements correctly. If you write one single wrong element, so whole answer will be wrong. So be careful when you solve problems like this. Okay.